Green Panther Properties One invites you to be a part of the limited edition community built on the principles of coexistence and sustainability for nature living. Imagine being transported to a different world altogether with bountiful nature surrounding you. Just 30 minutes from Ahmedabad, on bank of 70 meters wide Narmada Canal, discover a one-of-its-kind nature living community project where luxury and environment consciousness come together. A nature living project where no one pays for water, where no one pays for electricity, where dense and native plantations create a cooler microclimate, where you can grow your own food, where fitness is way of life, where recreation is also in the lap of nature, where sports bind the families, where work and leisure become one, where serene corners help you meet yourself. A project that is developed using sustainable design, eco-friendly materials, and a green to grey ratio at 9:1. Dotted with luxurious nature villas, the community is a dreamland in making, with illustrious implementation of design thinking. A space that stands testimony to minimalistic and aesthetic construction interspersed with diverse flora and fauna. A space where your villas will be as unique as you. Your villas will have regulated temperature, leading to reduced power consumption. Your villas will bestow serenity and entail ideal family time. You can transport yourself to another world. With bespoke designs, these villas are made for small as well as big families. Create a more beautiful version of your life by dwelling inside nature and not outside of it. GPP One is above and beyond the usual plotted development project. It is a movement to lead the like-minded towards sustainable nature living without compromising on comfort, design aesthetics, and luxury.